I'm telling you, man, if you know how to play the prepaid right,
Yeah.
you will make tons of money. What is the story of the prepaid? Do you know what the prepaid means?
I know what it entails. I don't know the actual.
Prepaid, you mean prepay. You pay for the service before it happens.
No contract.
Why they do that? They don't want to have a billing.
Yeah.
They don't want to chase their customers for money.
Yeah.
I will give you the best deal in the world, but you got to pay me up front. And hey, I want my money back. There is no such as my money back.
Yeah.
It's a prepaid. It's done. Once the activation happens, the transaction is started and the clock is ticking. There's no turning back.
Okay.
You agree with me?
Yeah.
Okay. This way, if you're selling burgers and you're selling the burger for $8 and your cost of the burger is $3.50, for example. If a guy comes and he says, I'm going to buy a burger from you every day for the rest of the year, every day, or this month, I'm going to buy a burger from you, but give me a better deal. They're like, okay, give me $6. You guarantee the customer that he's going to stay on with you, and you have that 30 days income coming from this guy every day or every month. So this is the prepaid. The prepaid, you pay, whatever I'm going to charge you $100, I'm willing to give it to you for $50, but you got to pay me up front, and I don't have to chase you for dollars.
That's why it's a little cheaper than a contract.
Way cheaper and much. It's the same quality. It's the same thing. I'm telling you, the burger, the $8 burger, will become $6 if you commit to buy more.
Yep.
Make sense?
Yep.
Okay. I've never had a contract in the past 20 years.
You're on prepaid right now?
Oh, well, hell yeah. I practice what I preach.
What plan do you have?
Verizon.
Oh, no, I mean your actual plan. Like what your third?
The Verizon, the $55 unlimited everything.
Oh, really?
Never throttle, never anything. Where's my phone? My phone is recording this. Yeah. So it does work. It works for me. I'm happy with it. Everything is in this 100%. I'm telling you, man, if you know how to play the prepaid right,
Yeah.
you will make tons of money, and you will believe in it, and you will open multiple stores.
Right.
And anybody's telling you I'm not making money on prepaid or wireless, they don't know what they're doing. They're not talking to their customers like the way I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
People wait for people to walk in and say, how can I help you? What can I do for you? It's okay. Don't treat the wireless like a sandwich or like this. Okay, look at the menu, tell me what you want. No.
'Cause that's literally something I'm using.
You know what can I say, hey, man, what do you, like how I broke it down to you right now.
Yeah.
What do you use? AT&T?
Yeah.
How much is your bill?
70 months.
$70. How about if I save you $250 to $300? How that sounds to you?
Sounds great.
Let's make it happen.
All right. That's how prepaid works.
That's it. That's how sales work.
And you know what kind of throws me for a loop on it is that like years ago I remember prepaid meant like you literally go into the store or something, you pay for fucking minutes.
Mm-hmm.
This was before all this unlimited talk and text.
That's old days, man.
Everybody has unlimited talk and text now.
Yes.
I wasn't even aware of that until I started working here.
See, that's what I'm saying. And listen, so for this reason, you guys need to start asking the right questions and start offering real value. Prepaid wireless will make you tons of money. Thank you.